I'm literally outside the Saxon Fish and Chip shop. I'm about to have Parmo wrap with garlic sauce. They wouldn't let me film them cooking it because it's a secret recipe, but there it is in my pocket. I've got a bit of white wine to go with it, so it should be good. I'm taking it home though because it's raining. This bastard is about as big as my forearm. It's thick. Can't wait to tell you what's inside. So here it is, the chicken Parmo wrap. Let's get this bad boy cut in half. Oh my god, oh my god. Right, it's a chicken Parmo, hot shot chicken Parmo with chips, garlic sauce. If you don't know what a Parmo is, it's a spatchcock chicken with breadcrumbs, bechamel white sauce and parmesan cheese on top. They flatten it right out, a chicken breast, cut it in half, flatten it right out, cover it in all the stuff. Oh, you bastard! And then put it through the pizza oven. But I've never had one in a wrap before. Look at that. Look at that. Garlic sauce and the chips and the chicken Parmo. Absolute a thing of beauty. Let's try it. Bloody hell. And taste the spices coming through. By the way, if you like this sort of stuff, make sure you follow and subscribe and like the video and share it with friends. The white sauce is coming all over my face. There's one of the chilies there, look, inside as well. So there you go. You've got a choice with either chips or salad with these Parmo wraps. But I had to go chips all the way. Here's a bit of the chicken Parmo. They only do these up north. It's a hot shot one. It's obviously got, this is a messy mess this like, but there's a bit of chilli. There's a bit of pepperami on it as well. And there's the chicken covered in breadcrumbs. And bechamel sauce. And parmesan cheese. Absolutely brilliant. It's a mess but tasty. As it is a chicken dish, we should have some white wine with it, and I've chosen a Chardonnay from South Australia from 2021. Let's have a little taster. Cheers, guys. Thanks. Made it to the end. Final bite.
It was only fitting that it finished with an epic. On an electric, enthralling, emotional night in New York, Serena left it all on the court.
Outstanding wrap that was.
Giving